And for anyone that thinks that the supernatural star above my house, above my bedroom window, is the International Space Station, it's not. The light's not coming from there, because this is the current position of the ISS, and this is at 4 a.m. exactly. It's UTC time. In the UK, it's 5 a.m. now, Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. And the current position, ISS ground track, is that it's over the Indian Ocean. Looks like it's off the coast of Australia. So it's going away from the UK. It's nowhere near the UK, is it? It's on the other side of the world. So that's definitely the light across my bedroom window is definitely not the ISS, International Space Station. Was it a plane? Well, now I'm just going to show you a screenshot of this is a plane tracker, my plane tracker app, and I did this a bit late. I did do this a bit later, 4:39. So it was about what, 13 minutes later. Anyway, the plane, there isn't a plane there. Look, that's the only one there, DHL, and that's going towards Market Raisin. That's nowhere near Lincoln. That's where I live. Look, on the Birchwood, in Lincoln, UK, and that's definitely not a plane going over my house. And then that's well, there isn't any. Look, there's only that one there, the DHL one. There's not really any planes. One at Wakefield. There's a plane. But that light going across my bedroom window is definitely supernatural from Jehovah, and it's a warning sign that the Watchtower and the governing body of Jehovah's Witnesses will be destroyed on the 3rd of August 2025 by supernatural means. There's no doubt Jehovah will do that. But just watch the next video now of the supernatural star across my above my house. There's a star going over my house. It just came out. It's like a double star, like the moon is. What is that? I literally came out. I just looked up and thought it was a star, and then I saw it moving, so I rushed upstairs to get my camera, and that's what I'm seeing. That's not a plane. What the hell is that? Zoom in. Oh, that's not a coincidence. The time is 4:26 a.m. and it's the 3rd of April 2025 now. I think that's definitely a sign that the Watchtower is going down. Sign from Jehovah, look. It's travelling across. That's not a coincidence. I just came outside and saw that. It's like a double. I thought it was a double star again. Like the moon last night was basically there was two moons, like crescent moons, one above each other, and I couldn't actually tell which was the real one. And I've seen stars like this before with double. Alright, it's gone over there. I literally came out and saw the star up there. I thought, oh, it's a star. I was going to check on my Stellarium web to see what star it was. And it was there. Can hear the blackbirds singing. It's getting lighter now. I don't think it's quite dawn yet. Actually, I can hear noise in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall. That's quite loud. That's supernatural noise as well. That's not a road. That's not the road. Doddington Road. That's quite far away. Yeah, I can hear a lot of blackbirds singing. I think the blackbirds or something. I'll put my app on in a minute, see what birds they're singing. Merlin bird ID, it's really good. The noise over there, it keeps changing. That house there is in this direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses, which is the temple at Jerusalem. And 2.9 miles away is a hamlet, which is a place without a church, called Jerusalem. It's the only place in the UK called Jerusalem. Right, I'm going to leave it there and go on to my Merlin Bird ID app now. This is my Merlin Bird ID app, and the bird of the day is the blue tit. And just as I put this on, I had a really strange sound to my right. That wasn't a bird, it was not a dog, it was some strange noise. I ain't got a clue. Something supernatural. Anyway, I'm going to record the bird sound now. That's a Eurasian blackbird, a blackbird here in the UK. And we have a European robin, a robin. So it says 4:32 AM now on the 3rd of May 2025. It's kind of getting dawn, so I suppose they should be calling now. It seems a bit early to me. There's still that noise in the west. Well, I don't know what that noise was then. It's like a motorbike. Yep. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day now and have a cup of tea. Bye for now.